So recently, all the assets under management of the exchange traded funds that tracks the Nifty 50 index has grown to 1 trillion, that is 1 lakh rupees. So previously, last 5 years, if you see, this value was around 7,000 crore. In the recent last 5 years, this value has grown from 7,000 crore to 1 lakh crore. So we will see these details in this video. We have also have a press release from the exchange. You can see here, we are going to see the details of this particular press release, which is released on September 16th, and we are going to see how the investment in India is going, whether it's the right time to invest. We'll see everything. So before going to the topic, if you want to open a demat account, I've given the link in the description of this video. You can use this link to open a demat account and get all the free training courses that are featured in our website powerpangu.com. Even if you don't know anything about share market, if you're just a beginner, you can sign up using the link given in the description and get all these 6 premium training courses free of cost. You can WhatsApp this number. If you already have an account, you can refer your friends or your family members open an account using the link in the description, and can WhatsApp me and get these courses. So it also has a live demo and everything. Now let's quickly go to the topic. So before going to see about these circular details, let's try to understand what exactly is exchange traded funds and how it's useful to us. So ETF is nothing but, we know that Nifty, Sensex, we have different indexes. So we have a separate fund which will track how the movement of Nifty is, and it's designed in such a way that if the Nifty moves, this exchange traded fund value will also move. It's a composition of the stocks that is already included in the dictionary. Defined as, it will have certain stocks and weightage which is similar to that of the Nifty 50 movement. That is called, we call exchange traded fund. So investing in a Nifty is also similar to investing in a exchange traded fund that is targeting or tracking the Nifty. So here the fund managers will be eliminated mostly. Once it is designed, that's all, it will perform based on the Nifty's movement. So there won't be any fund manager expenses or exit load, and it will be very little less actually. So this is, you can actually invest and take the returns on the same day in ETF also. We will see some of the exchange traded funds that tracks Nifty 50, and we will also see how the Nifty is performed in the past few months, everything. If you're a beginner in the share market, we'll see everything. So now if you see the let's try to understand this actual total details. AUM is nothing but assets under management. It is a common term used in mutual funds. So all the exchange traded funds tracking Nifty 50 recently crossed 1 lakh crore, which we just saw. Plus in addition, the AUM of the ETF that is tracking the equity plus debt fund actually crossed 2 lakh crore rupees. It's not 2 lakh rupees, it's 2 lakh crore rupees. So this is the massive growth in the investment space in India. So why this massive growth is that there are mainly two reasons. One is there is a diversification in the Nifty 50 and international money is involved in it. A lot of FIIs and DIs are involved. There is so much volume and liquidity is there. And the cost is also effective in the ETF. Like I said, there is no fund manager expenses involved, and there is a extreme transparency about the stocks, and it cannot be like a penny stock where the pump and dump scams occurs. So I've given some videos in the cards. You can see, if you don't know what is pump and dump Nifty 50, I made a separate videos about this. You can just check that. So we'll see the history, then we will see why there is a massive improvement from 7,000 crore to 1 lakh crore in just 5 years. We'll see that. So first, Nifty exchange traded fund was started in 2001. When it was starting, if you see in August 31, 2015, the amount was at 7,000 crore. Like I said, in 5 years ago, it was just 7,000 crore. Now it moved to 2020 August 31, it's around 2 lakh crores. So the reason is mainly the employee provident fund started investing in ETF. A part of money from the EPF is going into equities via exchange traded funds. So because of that, lot of other organizations also started focusing ETF. This one step has encouraged the ETF to encouraged people to invest more in ETF space. So one more thing is, if you see in August 31, there were only 36 exchange traded funds, but if you see on August 31, 2020, within 5 years, it's actually doubled, more than double nearly. 82 exchange traded funds has been opened by different mutual fund houses actually. So the market share of this exchange traded fund, Nifty has 77% of the market share in the equity and debt fund in the ETF fund space. So mostly if you see, there are other indexes also, but Nifty actually gets the 77% market shares, and also there are 11 exchange traded funds internationally for various other nations to invest in Indian companies like that. So we'll quickly see how the Nifty has moved in the last few months, so that you get a clear understanding. We'll also see some of the exchange traded funds. So if you see, this is the Nifty share price. If you just type, you will get this Nifty share price. So now we'll see how it performed the last 6 months. If you see, from 7,600 it moved to 11,500 in around 6 months. So this is the kind of movement. But if you see 1 year, it just dropped because of the coronavirus situation, and again it bounced back. So this is the main reason why people invest in Nifty. Even if it falls, it has the potential to quickly recover, and more people are started investing in it. We'll see some of the Nifty Bs. So this is one of the Nifty Bs, which the current value is 122. And it all the ways goes up to 130 in few days ago. So it keeps going. When the Nifty opens gap up, this will also opens gap up, and it actually works like this. You can check the chart in Zerodha. Like if you don't have a Demat account, this is a Demat account in which I'm checking the charts actually. So you'll be also given some kind of this thing where you can buy and sell this stock. You can directly buy from here and sell it like this. So I hope you got a clear idea about what actually happened in Indian space investment. So thank you for watching the video.